Hi everybody. Let me actually get up close so y'all can hear me. Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rosen. I'm back. Finally. It's been a minute, I know. I am going to, well actually it hasn't, not for y'all. Because I've been recording consistently, but I am going to close out my June Paycheck One budget. So we got a little cash stuffing to do here, and then we'll be ready to go and move on to some other fun things. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute. Y'all, I am finally back. It took me a minute. I had to get my life together, but we are here and we are ready. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got, what's his name playing in the back? Okay. All right, now I'm ready. So, where did I put my pen? Do y'all see? There we go. Okay. All right. First paycheck. Here we go. We had 300. We had 300 for the envelopes. We had $952.50 for rent. Adobe was $32.46. Electricity was lovely, $29.88. Banfield was $49.90. Why in the world did I put 60 away for that? That is so bizarre. Anyway, sinking funds were $130, and giving was $9. And then travelers was $19.10. So let's add that up. I have no idea where my phone is. Oh, yes I do. Such a lie. Liar face. Okay. New phone, y'all. Okay, let's add this up. There it is. Okay. 300 plus $952.50 plus, wow, $52.50. There we go. Okay. And $32.46 plus $29.88 plus $49.90 plus 130 plus 9 plus 19 plus 19 and 10 plus $56.29 at Ulta. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I do not think that is right. Something feels like it's missing. Most definitely something is missing. 300, 900. Ooh, this one's wrong. Okay. Flip those around. 52. Okay, that's better. 300, 952, 32, 29, 32. Wait, 32, 29, 49. I wonder if that's supposed to be 59. 130. 9 and 19. Oopsie. Let's add up the other one and let's see if that one added up correctly. Plus 960 plus 35 plus 100 plus 60 plus. Oh, okay. I'm missing the $20 from Joann's Fabric. I was like, this is not making sense. Okay, 300 plus 952. I bought a pattern because y'all know I want to sew. I'm going to actually do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to sew. 952.50 plus 32.46. Ignore that if you can hear the cat in the background. He's just doing his thing like usual. Look at that. What a mess. There we go. Okay. Plus 130 plus 9 plus 19 plus 56.29 plus $20.88. There you go. 1,600. Almost exactly. So 1600.01. So we have $14 roughly left over. Here's our 14. So here's how I decided, since it was such a small amount to actually do my little extra, I gave 5 to debt. I gave 5 to house. Make sure that's right. I feel like that's a little off. Okay, 5 to debt, 5 to house, and 1 for each saving. Oh, because my savings are off a little bit. So we got 1 there, and now we have emergency savings. We have long-term. I think I have $1 left over. Savings, that gets $1. And we have, I think it's just like savings, that gets $1. So we can put an extra $1 somewhere else. We should put it in, I should make sure that is all the, because I have, yeah, so I should put it, let's put it towards debt. So we're going to give 6 to debt. So 6, 7, oh well, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total is 14, and that zeroes out our budget. Woohoo! Okay. Now, a majority of these actually need to go back into the bank. So I only need $2 to put away, and the other ones can go in the bank. So I'll put these 12 back into the bank. And let's go ahead and put those savings where they belong. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So let's pull out these envelopes. Not these ones. I think it's, nope. Must be this one. Here we go. Okay. I really need to put on a new one on this one. This is emergency savings now. It has 5. Ooh, we've got a little bit of money in here. I didn't think we had that much. So now it's got 8. No, 13. Wow. And this one should be exactly the same. So that one should have 13 as well. Because y'all know I freak out about savings. I'm just kind of weird about it. So I just am continuously adding new. Oh, this one has an extra $1. So fun. 14 in this one. Yay! And then we'll be able to add a little bit to where that goes. I actually, oh, that's a lie. I'm glad I didn't just go sit that back in there. House savings. I need to check that. That might be off just a little bit, but I will fix that. I'm not going to worry about it. I will fix it because it might need to actually be. No, it should be fine. Okay. Because debt actually needs to stay here. And I need to get change for it. But I will do that in just a little bit. So that's it, everybody. Closed out. June Paycheck 1. So, thanks for watching. Let me know if y'all get confused and are always trying to move money around. Because I know I'm always literally doing that. I will see you all again every Wednesday and Saturday with new videos, new updates. Working on the budget, getting our money together. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe if you're still here, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.